discrimination and the abuses that we suffer. And now, for 6 years, we have enjoyed good governance under the able leadership of our governor, Comrade Adams Oshomo. Therefore, in Edo State, the difference is like night and day, and therefore the choices are easy for us. Prior to your coming to Edo State today, we have gone round our state behind our governor to spreading the message of change. And in all the places we have been to, the conclusion is unanimous. Nigeria needs change. And that change will start here in Edo State. It started in 2009, and what we did here in Edo State is what we are going to bequeath to Nigeria. May I also report that in the course of our journey in these past few months and weeks, we have had a lot of notable, prominent politicians, some of whom left us before and have come back. Some have been foundation members of the PDP, and they are now here with us. And so today, because of want of time, I'm not going to parade all of them, but I'm going to invite a young man, perhaps not so young, but who has done quite well as a politician, as a legislator, as a legal professional. Well, I've said it, so let him just say a few words, please. So I welcome you all, and I thank you for coming. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, State Chairman. Because of time, we really need to hurry up. We move on now and call on the DG of the General Muhammadu Buhari Campaign Organization, the one and only Governor Rotimi Chibuike Amechi, to give us some welcome remarks here today. Your Excellency, sir.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, APC! APC! I'll be very brief, and I want to remind you as South people. Yesterday in Port Harcourt, our president, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria from South, admitted that he has done nothing in the South. You heard him, eh? Yes. Did you hear him? Yes. So, if in 6 years you do nothing in South, you do anything in 4 years, I have told Rivers State, LMA Petrochemical in Rivers State, NAFCON in Rivers State, Refinery in Rivers State, all were done by Hausa Fulani men. Our president has spent 6 years. Did Abacha spend 6 years? But he was able to do something. Our president, our son, has spent 6 years and has done nothing. Nothing. All they have done is enrich himself and others, all of those people. And our responsibility is to get a good president to do something for us and for Nigeria. And I will thank God that the president himself is person admitting, no, don't be me. It's the president I went to Port Harcourt and say, DG say I've done nothing. Don't worry, if you vote for me, I will do something. You know what I call him now? I will do president. If you watch my campaign in Rivers State, I say I have done. I never say I will do. What do I say? I have done. I have done. Your governor, when you will speak here, you will say I have done. Is it not? When the president is speaking, you say I will do. As if I said I have done, we will vote out this I will do president. And so that we can vote in the president that will do something for us, and we'll stand by that. Any government that runs on promises is not worthy to be re-elected. Because as a government running for a second term, you must show what you have done before. We cannot continue to live on promises. You know, one thing about trust is that once it is betrayed, you can never repair it. Is it a lie? If you catch your friend with your wife and say, forgive me, if you hear he's in your house, what will you do? What will you do? You will not. In that same manner, in that same manner, if our president has not been able to perform, when he says, give me a chance, will you give him? God bless you.
Thank you very much. Yes. Ever-blunt Chief, Governor Rotimi Chibuike Amaechi. Great people of Edo State, do you want to hear your governor speak? Ladies and gentlemen, may we call to the podium the comrade governor, Governor Adams Oshiomhole. Oshobaba will now speak to us. Thank you.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Jonathan Pullover.
Jonathan Pullover.
Reverse, PDP Pullover.
PDP Pullover.
Take over.
Governor Adams of Oshiomhole of Edo State moving up to the podium to deliver his own speech. You just heard the state chairman of the APC and the director general of the General Muhammadu Buhari Campaign Organization address the crowd at the Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, where the All Progressives Congress is having its rally today. Now that's the governor of Edo State, Adams Oshiomhole. He's going up to pick up the microphone and address the crowd, or as they campaign for the votes of the electorate towards the 2015 elections.
Jonathan Pullover. Jonathan Pullover. Reverse, PDP Pullover. Come on, Buhari take over. Buhari take over. Jonathan Pullover. Jonathan Pullover. Reverse, PDP Pullover. PDP Pullover. Buhari, you take over.
Gele gele o gedo, agakode, kagate bata o, edomi weri o, gele gele. Osho, osho, osho bole o kumimaya yo. Etioma kasari mama o.
Fighter.